Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. So today is Christmas and I am doing my Christmas giveaway. Today I am doing a giveaway from Makeup Academy. They are a London-based makeup brand, as you can see. And this could be yours if you enter and win. Make a nice comment. But I'm so excited about this giveaway. Yeah, so what majority of the things that I'm wearing in this video will be in the giveaway below. But like I said, you can win a whole gift set. So all of this could be yours if you win the giveaway. We have eyeshadow, we have primer. Like I said, we have a lot of lipsticks, so you will never run out of lipstick, honey. I have gloss, wherever that is, just on the floor. I have gloss, lip liner. So yeah, we're going to do. We're going to prime the face with the primer here. And this is like the smoothest primer I've ever had. This is really good. Like, it just smooths like your whole skin, your whole pores and whatnot. Like, I love it. It's so cute. Very breathable. So that's what I'm going to do to... So it's been a while since I've done a get ready with me. I think the last one I did, it was like months ago. I'm just not a, I guess, get ready with me person and whatnot. But you know, it's good. It's good. And oh, so if you know anything about my hair, I'm doing natural today, like all natural. I just got a blown out. I went to Dry Bar and I'm going to do my review on Dry Bar very soon. So I expect to see that vlog right after this video. And by the way, I know you're looking at my lashes. I know you're looking at my lashes. My lashes are from Chrissy Doll, and I will leave her information and hers information. So I'm gonna go do the brows first. Connoisseur, but when I do, I just like the feel of my hand. You like Snuffleupagus. We're gonna go with the mascara, and I'm gonna show you a trick with this mascara. It comes with 2 clicks, so it has a volume click, and it also has a lengthening click. So, and you just click, and it will change the wand. So I'll show you up close. So, see, it's really a cute and unique feature. I've never seen anything like this. I'm gonna use the lengthening one for the bottom lashes here. But so I always do the top lashes. I never do the bottom. But since we're doing like a festive look, I'm gonna go for the bottom lashes here and just give them a little pick me up. You do the eye next. Sorry, I had a little twitch there. But we're using the No Crease eyeshadow base. And this is going to be the base, so we can put that on top of the eyeshadow. Wait. On bottom. Top, bottom. This will be a base, so it'll be on the bottom, and the eyeshadow will be on top. Okay, now we got that cleared. We got that cleared up. This is why I don't do get ready with me. Ooh. Okay, this is my first time using the base. So I've used everything else in the collection. My eyes, or my eyelids, are very oily. So I do like to do a base. Usually I use my concealer as a base, but we're going to try this out. And so far, so good. It's a little too oily in my opinion, but it might dry up. And we'll see if it oxidizes. So that way, we will have an even foundation. And it's oxidizing really well. So here, we're doing holiday colors. So this is the palette that will come with the gift set if you win. Sorry, I'm having a hard time opening up things because, like, I did my nails. So these are the nails I've done. I do not do the nail salon. Last time I've been to a nail salon was like a sleepover with Girl Scouts, and that was, we're not going to go there, but it was a long, long time ago. And I do my own nails, but as you can see here, my nails have not caught up. Like, these usually how long my nails are, and I have been hustling, I've been grinding, and like these are short. Let's see. And these are the colors here in the palette. So since it's holiday time, let's go with the gold here. I'm gonna do a gold. And you know what? Since it is a metallic, I'm going to use my finger because it has attracted more oils. So whenever you use metallics, you always need to do at least like something, a water base, and under eye illuminator. This works really well. I like the way it doesn't act like a concealer. It's more like an eye brightener. So what I usually do is I just go to the bottom and pull it down, and it smooths out those creases in under your eye. Foundation, I am using Chanel Luminaire Foundation Perfection, and I am going to pat this on my face. Now, I will tell you this is like a few shades lighter than me. Don't worry, it's okay. I'm not going to go as the Joker for Christmas Day, but I will put a touch of color to it. Because Finish Highlighting Kit. Now, this is the best one, I think, out of all of them. So, it comes with a bronzer, then you have a deep contour, and then you have a highlight. And I'm gonna go with the middle and just brighten up my face because this is a different color, honey. So I'm gonna literally dust and bring back. You see how like it brought back? Like, it's crazy. It looks really natural too. So I'm going to go across my face and just warm up my skin to get it. This is the powder here. It is a it's a pressed powder, so it won't be, but it's really loose, as you can see. Like, this is really loose, so I'm going to use this to bake, and it's not that clumpy, and that's what I like about it. So I'm just going to bake along on the sides here. And baking is my favorite, and I'm not saying like just with makeup, like with like I've gotten so into cooking now. It's crazy. Like, I never thought that I would be like some Susie homemaker and just like cooking all the time. So I made like a what was I getting ready to say? Oh, I've been making a lot of vegan dishes lately. I'm so into vegan food now. I made a vegan barbecue the other night, and it was bomb. Like, that's all I have to say. It was bomb. I think I might do a tutorial on my food. Let me know if you're interested in food tutorial, like all my vegan dishes, because like I can make burgers. I can make, what else can I make? Pulled pork. I can make vegan breakfast foods like vegan waffles, vegan pancakes. I'm trying to think of what else I made that's vegan. Oh, smoothies and juices. Like, I'm definitely doing a juice video soon, because like New Year's is coming up, and then like resolutions are coming up. So like, you want to be like really fit and like really like getting ready for everything for the new year and set your goals. So, set your goals for the new year. Come back, watch my food channel. My food channel. So, I'm gonna go and just to let you know, this is just me. I always use the same brush when it comes to everything. It's like it's just more convenient that way for me because I'm like the same color. But I've done on my other friends' makeup, and if you're a different color, then I would advise you to do like other ones. Like for example, if you're on the lighter side, you would have to use at least 2 or 3 different brushes and stuff. Because with my complexion, I can just use stuff to highlight and to brush away, you know, things of that nature. Okay, while we're baking, I'm going to go with the bronzing palette here. And this one's a highlighter bronzer, and then like there's a couple other shades, but I'm going to go with this one and just highlight. Ooh, this is my first time using bronzer. This is sharp. This is sharp, honey. And I'm going to go to get, you know, the underlines and also make it look like that I haven't had, because of course I haven't had a boyfriend. I don't know if you know this. If you're new to the channel, I've never had a boyfriend, and so like Christmas gifts and like Valentine's gifts are like obsolete for me. So I always wondered like if other girls like ever get like Christmas gifts or whatever. And like I know you get Christmas gifts, but like I'm saying like other women buying for like their significant others, because like I was talking to this one girl at the mall and she was telling me like she had recently broke up with her boyfriend, and she was telling her, she was like, you know, I don't have to do Christmas this year because like, you know, my boyfriend's like, me and him are done, yada yada yada, stuff like that. And then she proceeds to say that she like before they broke up, she spent like over $1,000 for gifts, and then you getting broken up like 2 days, or like not even 2 days. She said like a couple weeks later. She said like 2 weeks later they broke up, and I was like, and we were like I was in the cosmetics company. We were like looking. We're like, no, honey, like no, ma'am, no, like why? Like I understand if that's like your husband or like your fiance, but like a boyfriend. Like a boyfriend, I was just like, baby girl, no. I was like, honey, you gotta spend that money. I was like, well, and what did he get you? And she was like, well, he really didn't get me anything. Not that I wanted or whatever. And I was just like, I was like, honey, it's away. Okay. And if you see like a little bit of, you know, if your colors are not like, yeah. So this is the center one. So use one of the lighter ones and just mix it. Because this have like a little bit of color into it. Oh yeah, it's so pretty. Looks like a sunset. Oh my gosh. Okay, you're like, Brooke, where's the dramatics besides the eye? Where's the dramatics, honey? You hadn't seen nothing yet. I haven't even got with the highlight and the lips. Like, just wait. Just wait and see. Okay, so speaking of lips, MUA lip liner. So I'm gonna go and line my lips. I like to do the overdrawn look, and there's different types. And this actually feels like the real pencil. That's what I like about it. Okay, so I'm gonna stick. Let's do a B, the B sun look. So I'm just gonna go over this and just highlight the creases in my natural lip line. And we're gonna stick with like red since it's like the holidays and whatnot. And don't forget to fill in like the inner edges here, so it won't be, so it like look more believable that you have a fuller lip line that way. Okay, so you're like, okay, well that's it now. That's not it at all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and put this bad boy on. This is the lip oil, and it's supposed to be a mask, but your girl, uses as a lip gloss, and it's so good, honey. Like, look at this color. Like, look at this color. Oh my god, so pretty. Such a pretty red. And I'm just gonna dab. Okay, so now we're going to go to highlight. It has like the pearl color, which is in the middle, and then it also has like a little gold rosy color, and then another like vanilla shade too. So I'm gonna highlight this with the cheeks, and see, that highlight is bomb. Like, it's bomb, 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 bomb. So I'm just gonna do the cheeks, and I'm also gonna do okay. So there you have it. I just have my cute, simple, yet glowy holiday look here. Entering the contest, and I know you do, just leave a like, subscribe, and comment below on what you got for Christmas, because I had a great Christmas. I got to spend time with my family, and I get to give stuff to you. So yeah, so all right, and there you go. This is my final look. So just do all those things, and I hope you win. I hope you win. If you